Step 1. Click on File / Save As / Browse / File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM / Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert / Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Look at line 11 of the code and amend so that it has the folder path of the file / files that you wish to convert from docx into PDF, and make sure that a / is included at the end of the folder path. What it does, this code converts all of the docx documents that you have saved down in a folder into a series of PDF files, whilst also keeping the docx versions in your folder path as well. Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com